Today I'd like to show you a basic essential guitar scale for Spanish guitar. So if you're just starting your journey into the Spanish guitar, please stick around. Hey guys, David Chiriboga here. Welcome to the channel with your weekly Spanish guitar tutorial and tips. Okay, so today we're going to be working on the E Phrygian guitar scale in the first position, which is very typically used in flamenco guitar. So let's check it out. Okay, we're going to start off on the 6th string. We got 0, 1, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 0, 1, 3, 0, 1, 3. Then we go back up. 3, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3, 1, 0. Okay, so here's one little tweak and tip that we use in flamenco. Anytime that you see a G note, you could take it up a half step, make it a sharp, G sharp. And if you don't understand what I mean, let me show you. We pass a G 3 times in this scale position. So anytime we hit a G, so we have E, F, G, you could do a sharp on there. So E, F, G sharp, A, B, C, D, E, F. Normally we would have G, open G, but you could do E, F, G sharp, then keep going. B, C, D, E, F, G sharp. Now that's just one of the little tweaks that we do in flamenco. You don't always have to sharp every G, and there's no rhyme and reason on which ones you should do it to. So just play it by ear. When you're practicing, just say, okay, this time I'm gonna do all sharps on the Gs. On another time, you could just say, I'm just gonna do a sharp on the one in the middle. So just decide on something and be intentional about it. Now I don't wanna get too much into how to practice scales, but just a quick tip for those of you who aren't used to it. So first of all, grab a metronome and start playing to the beat on the metronome to a speed that you can handle. So if the click is going click, 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 at a beat that you can handle. Once you start doing well with that, you want to start playing around with eighth notes, playing in between the beat, or playing triplets. But like I said, I don't want to get too much into that. We will definitely check that out in another video. This scale serves as a great foundation for a lot of the music and phrasing that you'll hear in flamenco guitar. Especially if you're a beginner and you haven't learned any scales yet, this is a great place to start. If you learned something today and you'd like to see more weekly Spanish guitar tips and tutorials, please consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.